Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you basically how Travel Advisor Life a little bit. I know so many of you use Expedia.com to book. Well, we actually have access to the travel agent version of Expedia. And it's almost the same thing, except you enter your client's information as opposed to yours. And you can make great income on this. So I wanted to show you an example of Montego Bay, Jamaica, super popular destination. Check in for pretty much for a few days in June, one room, two travelers. And I wanted to show you your earning potential. Yes, earning potential. So you can even earn commission on your own bookings, right? So let's do all inclusive. Let's do ocean view. We can do a hotel and resort, right? And let's see what options that come up. Also, we could also choose the star category. So we can do 4-star as well as 5-star resort, right? Those are always, especially when we're traveling internationally, we want to make sure we have 4 or 5 stars. Let's take a look at this one. Secret St. James, adults only 5-star resort. Awesome. So right here, this is a really good category here for commissions. And I wanted to show you, look how fast it took me to find this. Number one, look at these beautiful photos, images. Who's ready to go? I definitely want to go. Oh my gosh, I love these hot stone massages. They are the best. Look how beautiful and gorgeous this destination is in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And let's take a look at one of these. So they have a deal of the day, okay? And for king size bed, all inclusive, guys, look how much commission I can earn. I would earn $274. If they want an ocean view, okay? Ocean view, I'm going to make a little bit more money. $336 on this booking. All right. And right over here, you see the total cost, including taxes and fees. And it's as simple as that. And when you go to checkout, as far as reserving, they could pay now or they can reserve with a deposit, either one. All right. And you just enter the client's information at the end, and that's it. Cha-ching for you. Really simple. All right, everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in becoming a travel advisor, please PM me and I could definitely help you out with that. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.